As we adopt healthy choices by adding exercise to our daily activities, we need to be mindful of the 32 individual muscles in our face. Instead of injecting toxins and chemicals, ask yourself, why not exercise those muscles naturally? Talk to your esthetician and ask about Tama's microcurrent facial treatment, a treatment that is completely natural and non-invasive and allows your facial muscles to tone, rejuvenate, heal, and rebuild themselves. Look for Tama's microcurrent facial rejuvenator and start your journey to a newer you. Why not?